Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. I personally am the hugest Harry Potter party geek that you will ever find. It's one of my favorite parties to throw, and one of my favorite decorations that we have at our Harry Potter parties are these floating candles. And I'm going to teach you how to make one right now. For this project, you will need dollar store battery-powered candlestick, thin monofilament, like 8-pound, sharp tapestry needle, push pin, scissors, and a paper clip. So for the project, what we're first going to do here is take our little candle, and what you want to do is you want to make sure with your candle that you get one of these that has like a rubbery tip. See how this has like a little rubbery tip? That's going to allow us to put the needle through. If it's got a hard tip, you're not going to be able to use that. So you want to look for one with a rubbery tip. First thing I'm going to do is just take this and I'm going to make a little hole. And this is just a push pin. I'm going to just make a little hole. I'm going to leave it right there. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to get my monofilament. Now, the monofilament I know is very, very hard to see here. You could also use thread, but I like monofilament because it just disappears, especially if you're hanging these from above the ceiling and you can't really see, or if it's darker up above, then the monofilament just totally disappears. So this is about, I mean, it depends on how long you want them to hang down, but this is about 18 inches long. And I'm just going to take it and thread it through my tapestry needle. Now, the reason I use a tapestry needle is because I have the world's worst eyesight, and putting it through the eye of the needle, it's so tiny, so I use a big tapestry needle. But if you've got really, really good eyesight, you can use a smaller needle. But you want a needle that is substantial. You want something that has some weight to it because you're going to be pushing it through this plastic. So I'm going to pull out this thumbtack, and I'm just going to find that little hole and push my needle right through it. Now, if you have a bobbin, like a thimble or a bobbin, you can do that, but I don't have one, so I'm just going to be pushing down, straight down onto the table and pull the tapestry needle through. Now, once I get it through, I'm going to pull one side of the monofilament till it comes out, remove my needle, and just make a nice giant loop. Pull that, tie that off with the 2 knots there. And what I'm doing is I'm using both sides, just tying them, looping them around and tying them. There we go. And then you can cut off the little extra there if you want. And the reason that I have this paper clip is not for anything like other than to hang it. I love to use these as hooks. Just open it up like that, link it through, and then you can hang anywhere. And there you have it. Faster than you can say, Wingardium Leviosa, your very own floating Harry Potter candle. For more great ideas for decorating and all kinds of fun ideas for crafting, check us out at sophie-world.com.